Hello there! Welcome to this course all about mindful crafting and journaling. I'm Agnes de Bezenac, an artist, illustrator, and teacher. You may wonder, what is a craft book? It's just a ring book or just a plain simple notebook that I filled up with collage papers, cutouts, ripped papers from magazines or old books. It includes letters and words, pictures and journal prompts that speak to me in the moment. It's personalized to what I need at the time and what makes me smile. Crafting has become one of my main tools for unwinding, relaxing, de-stressing, expressing my feelings and emotions, and having just loads of fun as I create something beautiful and meaningful. Also, as a way to chart and record my lessons along the way, from noticing and appreciating the simple, ordinary things to imagining and dreaming up my future life. There are no limits to what I can put on these craft pages. And I let inspiration lead as I get crafty, including loads of pretty pictures of the things I love. And then I check in and I ask myself lots and lots of questions. I write about my feelings and emotions. I believe that crafting, making art can be an amazing and powerful tool to help channel my creativity to more joy and delight. No special art skill or prior knowledge is needed for crafting. Just some time to play with your creativity. Some cutting and gluing, ripping, writing, doodling, journaling, and loads of happy moments. I'm so looking forward to going on this crafting journey together. I'll see you in class.